Welcome back again, everyone. Over here, I just came to quickly see what all the new babies look like. So you'll see they're all over the place. There's one. Some of these ewes were brought in as youngsters, and for some reason when we scanned them, they were already pregnant. So they lambed a little bit too early to our liking. But yeah, so these have been in the lambing cages for a couple of days, and then as soon as they're upright and good to go, then we move them over here. Hello, meneertjie. Hey. Hello. So that's 22, number 18. I think so far we're up to 32. So then they stay in here in the smaller camp for a while, and then the mums get this ewe feed. The lambs can crawl in there, do the creep feed thing where the adults can't reach them. I can't reach it. So yeah, and then from here they'll move over to the bigger camp where I'll quickly go and show you them as well. So this is then the bigger camp. See, the babies can't reach the mother's food, and the mums can't reach the baby food. So yeah, here are all the Kalaharis are ours. The normal Boer goats belong to the lady that looks after them for us. So yeah, but we're quite happy. They all look alive and well. They like the shade. Shame this one has a nice head. See, so I've already got that little rounded head. This one seems to have a little bit of black in him. No, it's just dark red. Yeah, some of the small ewes that we bought in, we bought them as lambs, and then by the time they got here they were already pregnant. Let me. There's a little bottle. I don't know what his story is, but he likes me a lot. Hello, young. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably a bottle lamb. Hey, machine. Word wakker. Okay, on the previous video, when we were here, these two were just born. So on the very first Meet the Kalahari's video that you can go back and watch, these were the first two lambs that were actually born here. So they are, I think, about 6 weeks old. But just look at them, they're really large. They grow like pumpkin stalks, old people used to say. I think that's the brother. So they've got unlimited access to roughage. That is bean hay, I think. Here are some more little lambs. Sure, this one's also massive. I think that's a single ram lamb that came out, so we'll see if the other ones catch up with him quickly. Over there is the boys town. That's for the rams that have been weaned, that we're going to potentially be breeding rams. And yeah, Yeah, so I thought you'd find this interesting. I haven't got a lot of time. I need to quickly get back to Pretoria. So I suppose oops, someone's looking for someone. Yeah. Okay. So I'll have to greet you. Please subscribe so you see the next time we're here. And let me know if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.